So Mage actually likes getting groomed, but he needs usually a reason why to be in a certain area for long enough to be groomed. And that's if September doesn't come in and immediately distract him from the grooming process. Look at her. She's in the playful mood too. Hi there, baby. But yes. This guy right here sheds a lot. A lot. So he needs large amounts of grooming. Hi there, baby. He also doesn't have a very good object permanence. Oh, someone got jealous is what it is. Look at this. There they go again.